Welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. For today's video, we are going to recreate an ornament we purchased from Kirkland in the color of our choice for this year, and you can also do the same. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. We were in Kirkland the other day and we ran across this particular ornament. We paid $5.99. We wanted to bring it home and recreate it to show you guys how you can create this same ornament using 3 types of glitter. And the really nice thing about this is you can create this ornament using the color glitters that you desire for your Christmas tree this year. And if you don't have a funnel or you can't find your funnel at the moment, then using a piece of paper will get the job done as well. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Till next time, may God bless you and keep you. We will see you on our next video. Bye.